Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to cancel Taobao order and claim your refund. And this is going to be a quick without any slides. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Taobao Chinese shopping app. Next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to your profile. Then for every order that has not been shipped but has been paid for, it's going to be found right here. So you can either refund for order here or refund for order on transit. So in this tutorial, I'm placing a refund for this particular product that has been paid for but has not been shipped. So what you need to do is to click on here. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on the order link. It's going to take you right here. What you need to do next is to simply click on refund. That's going to take you right here. So next thing you need to do is to select all the products. Once you select all the products, click on next, and you will have to enter the reason for the refund. Once you enter the reason for the refund, click on submit, and your money will be refunded back to your Alipay or your WeChat wallet or your Master or Visa card or any means that you use to make payments in your Taobao Chinese shopping app. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how to import cheap products from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.